Hi everyone, this is Alex, and in this video I will show you how to connect the version control system to our project. Why do we need the version control system? We need it to maintain the project better, to work together with our teammates, so at the same time on the same project, and do not have any conflicts and resolve issues with merging our changes in the same project, and also to keep our project not only locally but also in the cloud on the server. So if something happens with our local machine, we will have backup server, and we can uh, pull the changes from there and continue our working. So let's start. I'll show you the basics of how it works and how to do it. So I will have our project, and I will connect the GitHub control version control system. So I just select the version control system here and click share project on the GitHub. I already have an account, so maybe I'll delete the account first and show you how it works from the beginning. If you go to the settings, GitHub, and I'll delete my account here. So you can also do it from here, share project on GitHub, and you have here button add account. You log in via the GitHub or with a token. I will select the simple way, and first time you will log in, it will ask you for password login, of course, so you need to create in advance the account for the GitHub, and you just authorize, and it will connect to the IntelliJ IDEA, and you will be able to so you see my user is added here, and you can create the repository in the cloud, and just click create and select the changes you want to choose, and it's creating the project. So it's successfully shared on GitHub. If you log into the GitHub, refresh the page, you will see your new project will be created here with all these folders, and so all your code will be in the cloud already. And now what you need to know for work with the GitHub, you just need to know how to create a branch. So usually the main branch is something that you do not touch. It's used for having the main code. You create new branches from main, and you work in branches. So you can create them, delete them if you don't need, and so on. So you go to the branch and just create the demo branch and create it, and you will be automatically checked out on the branch. And you will see now how if something is changed in the code. For example, I want to rename this class to test from test1. You will be able to see what was changed, and who did the change and when. So now after you did all the changes on your branch, all your edit some tests, I don't know, some steps, you want to commit the changes. You go to the commit. Here you can select what you want to commit. Do a rollback if you don't want something. You add the commit message, for example, with demo commit, but usually you describe here what was changed, and you commit a push and push. So changes were committed, they were written in the branch and pushed. They will be added to the cloud branch in the GitHub, and you will be able to create a pull request. for this. So you open your project, Untitled 3 in my case, and you have here a suggestion to compare and pull the request. So you just click here, you see here our commit message that was added. So you can also write some description and you create the pull request. In GitHub, it's called pull request. In other version control systems, it can be a merge request or uh, any else. And when your colleagues will do reviews, so they will check if it's okay to do the change or not. And you can write him some comments and resolve the changes, the comments. And after all is good, so you can merge the pull request and confirm. And basically that's it. So here you should be able to go to the main branch already. So you can check out the main branch and you should be able to see your changes after you will update the project. So you just update the project, merge incoming changes into the current branch, of course. Yes, so it's now it pulls the changes. You can view what was changed. So it was our demo commit pulled. And if we go to our method that was renamed, so you can see it doesn't have one anymore. And you can check that it was changed in this commit. So you can track all the history, who did what, and so on. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Click like, subscribe, and I'll see you in next videos. Bye.